Enlightenment, when you use the English word enlightenment, it has many connotations. Like even if you learn a new word, then sometimes we say, I'm enlightened. Not in that sense. But here when you use the word enlightenment in the sense of complete enlightenment, Buddhahood, then it means achieving a state where you know everything, where you don't have any suffering, or any seed of the suffering, or even any imprints of the suffering. So, in other words, Buddha, the actual Hindi or Sanskrit word is Buddha, which means one who is fully awake. Fully awake. Okay? If you use the Tibetan word Sang Ye, Sang means one who is fully developed. In terms of positive qualities, there's no positive quality which has not developed. Sang means to completely purify. That means having purified all the negative emotions. Then the second word, J means fully developed. One who has developed all the positive qualities. So Buddhahood is a state, or complete enlightenment is a state, where you have developed all the positive qualities and removed all the sufferings and negative emotions. When you ask this question, can anyone achieve that state? In Buddhism we say yes, but that is not easy. We are not saying it is easy. But one thing that we can, the kind of encouraging thing is, in Buddhism we say we all have, whoever you are, we all have the Buddha nature. Buddha nature means your human intelligence. Your human intelligence, if you properly cultivate it, you can develop all the positive qualities. And we have a lot of experiences of that, right from childhood, when you know nothing, you learn ABCD, and then you even get your PhD. Now you may be a well-known world scholar, but still you can make more progress, you see. So that at least shows that it is possible, that the mind can develop to a state until you are completely enlightened. It's possible.